Hi guys, this is John Elder with 5 Dog Digital Marketing. I want to hop on here real quick to show you this awesome new tool that we're offering here on the web store. It's called Email Miner. Now, if your business relies on building lists and lookalike audiences for your marketing efforts, you no longer have to rely on a marketing company to utilize these tools. I am now selling them wholesale directly to the public. What this is an automated lead mining system that scours the internet far, wide, and deep, building out a huge database of emails for your marketing efforts. Now, say your business, you need to contact realtors in the state of Texas. I've queued up this example just to look at Facebook, Yelp, and Yellow Pages, but if you wanted to go totally bananas, take a look at all the different sources that this thing can scrape on autopilot. And again, yes, it is truly hands-free. In fact, if you're looking at LinkedIn, this thing is worldwide. I could look for a realtor in the Congo if I wanted to. Furthermore, if you want to search through various email providers' directories, I'm pretty sure this is about all of them. So it's very extensive, very easy to use, and it'll build you lists that are currently indexed in Google. So if you want to verify them, chances are they're verified. So without further ado, let's fire it up and just watch it go. I just queued it up just to get things kind of set for the video to start, but well, there's another 3. All right. I have it slowed down just a little bit because if you have this thing running at full blast, Google will actually detect that it's a bot and flag it. It's that quick. So you want to govern it a little bit to keep it from getting flagged. So that being the case, I could go take a nap. I could go cook dinner, go hang out with my friends, go shoot some pool. Meanwhile, this thing's going to just do its thing. And when I come back to it, I could have hundreds of emails sitting there ready to rock and roll. Now we got a couple more there. There's another 10. So that gives you an idea of what it looks like in action here. Now let's jump over real quick and let's just stop it and let's look at the list. So our list here, it is downloaded. Here's our emails. Bring that over for you to look at. As you see, all right, here's our keyword there. Here's the email addresses of those contacts. I got their names. Investing Made Easy, okay, investment company. I got their URLs. I got Facebook accounts, Yellow Pages accounts. Just a little bit of what I was looking for there. As well as alright, so I got plenty of emails started. I can leave this thing running and go do whatever I wanted to and continue stacking my emails. But I think if you rely on email in order to reach your target audiences, this could be the tool for you. And for only $43 a month, it's a steal. So if this sounds like something that you could be interested in, feel free to swing by the web store or hit me up, and we'd be happy to get you started with Email Miner today. Hope you have a good day, and hope to hear from you soon.